Hey Mia, have you heard the buzz about the Formula One racing coming up in Melbourne next month? The city is really getting excited.
Absolutely. I was walking near Albert Park last weekend, and they've already started setting up the track. You can really feel the atmosphere building.
I know, right? I'm actually thinking about buying tickets this year. I've never been to a Grand Prix in person, but everyone says the energy is unbelievable.
It really is. I went once a few years ago, and the sound of the cars alone is incredible. It's so loud you can feel it in your chest.
That sounds intense. Do you think it's worth getting the 3-day pass? Or is it one day enough?
It depends on what you want. The 3-day pass gives you practice sessions, qualifying, and the race itself. If you're really into the strategy side of things, qualifying is fascinating.
True. I've been following the team more closely this season. I'm curious to see how the new car upgrades perform. Some teams are saying they've made huge improvements.
Melbourne is always unpredictable though. The weather can change in a heartbeat, and that usually shakes things up. Remember last year's race? Half the grid didn't finish.
Yeah, that was wild. Safety cars, red flags, it felt like chaos. But that's part of the excitement, I guess.
Exactly. And the crowd is always amazing. People from all over the world come to watch. It feels like a massive festival.
I love that. I might try and get seats near turn 1. That's where the most overtaking happens, right?
Yep. And also where most of the drama happens. Just be prepared for the sun. Melbourne weather is unpredictable. But when it's hot, it's really hot.
Good tip. I'll bring sunscreen and a hat. Are you going this year?
I'm thinking about it. If I can get time off work, I'd love to go. It's one of those events that makes you feel like you're part of something huge.
Totally. Alright, you convinced me. I'll buy tickets tonight.
Nice. If I end up going too, we should meet up at the track.
True. It'll be an unforgettable weekend.